Hey guys, I'm now going to be doing an unboxing of the Hippo Cricri Plus. Now I've already reviewed and loved the original Hippo Cricri, which is a great miniature amp, super portable, use it to great extent with my iPod Nano, velcro them together, and that's a great portable rig. In fact, it's at the moment being used more than my Cowan J3, which is obviously really renowned for being one of the best cheap portable MP3 players. So what we have here is the older brother of the Cricri, and that's the Plus version, and this one features a 24-bit 96 kHz USB DAC as well as the headphone amplifier which it's interrogated with. Now it comes in the same minimalistic packaging, which is the white box, tells you the colour on it, and really nothing more to it than that. We open it up, we have the pouch it comes with which is nice, just a nice little feature that you get a case for it, and that includes the amp inside that, and we'll get to more what's inside that later. And then we get a few other things. First up we get, same as with the Cricri, a mini to mini interconnect, the 3.5 to 3.5, and that will just help you connect the amp to the MP3 player you're using it with or whatever. Now you also get with this a USB cable, and this will be a bit different because as this is a USB DAC, this is what's going to be connecting the USB port from your computer, in my case an iMac, taking the digital audio out of it and feeding it to the Cricri amp, and I'll have a little walk through in a second on how we're going to do that. Now inside the case we have the amp and DAC, and here it is, nicely. This time I'm going to be getting a black one because last time it was silver, and again as you can see it's rather small and rather nice. Now, main differences between this and the original Cricri is a bit of size. Obviously the addition of the DAC has added a bit to the size. On the side, the original one has the volume control, so they both have the same volume control, but the Cricri original has a gain and bass switch, whereas this one does not. Swap them around, they both have a input and headphone out on the same side with the LED light, which is the power button. Obviously this one hasn't got any charge on button at the same place. Now this one has your charging mode, and then it will have a switch, which means this will be the input from your digital feed from your computer, so that's where you're going to be using this as a USB DAC, and then that's if you want to switch, if you want to charge it or not. So that briefly is everything that this has got on it. So there's quite a few little things this can do, and it's rather nice and small compared to, say, another USB DAC that I have, which is the Audio Engine D1. This does have a lot more features, as the fact it's got RCA and optical input and everything like that. But again, it's a lot bigger and not as portable as this Hippo Cricri. So if you're using this with a laptop, that'd be great because it's so small. And obviously you can use this as a on-the-go headphone amp as well. I still use this nicely with my iPod Nano. I think it would look nice from a Cowan J3 on the back there, look, because they're both black and they go nice together, or with my, again, iPhone 4. So that's the Hippo Cricri Plus, and I'll now take you to the computer where I'm going to show you how we're going to connect this to the computer to get the digital out from it. Okay, I'm now going to be showing you how we're going to connect this to the computer so you can get the digital out of your computer and use the DAC inside the Cricri, and then that can go to your headphones. So what we're going to do is use the USB port on your computer, as that's a stronger output. So it connects to the back. This will go into that slot there, like that, and then we get the red activation light, and this means it's also charging as well. So that's all connected now, and then if we go into on a Mac system preferences, we go into sound, and then instead of using the built-in internal speakers, which would just be the headphone jack, or if you've got something inserted into that, or just that, normally use the TI USB audio, which is the USB port, and that means you'll be getting the raw data out of this. So if we now connect headphones into that and go on to your chosen player, in this case I'd normally use VLC, but I'll just use iTunes for the simpleness of it. So I'll take it to iTunes, play a song, and that'll be playing through your headphones nicely. And that's how you set it up. So you'll be bypassing your DAC in the computer, which ain't that good, especially in this case with the iMac, and you'll be using the sound card or digital to audio converter, which we have inside the Cricri, which I'm hoping is better than what we have in there, and I'm guessing it is after the performance of the first one. So that's how we use and connect up the Cricri Plus to our computer. So there we have the Hippo Cricri Amplifier and USB DAC, how to connect it to your computer, what you get, and overall I think this is a nice little package. Hoping it can equal the performance of its little brother, the original Cricri, both as a headphone amp, and then hopefully the inside DAC of this is really good as well, as that would be one awesome little purchase for roughly £100, which this is, from Jabin. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you can subscribe, that would be great, and watch out for more videos that I'll have coming soon.